Way too much ice cream.
Who are you? Who are
He won't eat anything different. We order Chinese. He gets sesame chicken. He says, I need sesame chicken. That's the only thing I've ever eaten Chinese. And that's the only thing I'll ever get. And I'm like,
Hi, Stephanie. What are you eating? Stephanie, what are you eating? Is it delicious? Stephanie, you know how to sing happy birthday? Yeah. To who? Oh, here we go. Blow them out.
sorry.
You missed one.
Keep going. Yay!
Yay!
That was good. Don't touch the candles.
Wanna go get your gift?
Okay.
That's what it says. Happy birthday, Christian. We can't put this guy out of there.
All right. Here you go, Christian. Here's a nice little card. It says happy birthday. It's beautiful. It's good to be the king.
Happy birthday, Kristen. Kristen, look at mine.
Open the card for you.
And he doesn't know what
What's that, Christian? Open it up.
After that one, open mine.
Not yet. Who's this from? This one's from...
Good track over there. Good job.
Christian, are you even looking at it? Let's see what... Ooh, the Science Fun Station. This
All
is
right. You'll like that, Christian. He's on to his next present already.
All right, hold
Yeah,
on.
yeah, whatever.
I have many things. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Christian, you don't know what...
Rip it open, dude. This is from Chad. Let's see.
And the official one!
Oh, man. Look at that. All right. Just what you need. A fishing pole. That's the best. That thing's going to catch all the big fish. All right. He needs one.
Look at the front, Christian.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. Fishes and frogs. They're two of my favorite things.
Not yet. Almost got a big thing of frogs. Brecken still has something. There's a lot of stuff to...
Brecken's losing that. Dad, your belly hurt. Oh, probably does.
I can't see.
Lizard's alive. I knew Karen Williams would come up with it. What do you have? An alien Hot Wheel? Christian! It's the school bus.
I have those.
The teams.
I like that.
Wow, everybody has those.
Christian, open the big one out. Yeah.
What is it, buddy?
don't matter.
I have one, Christian. A Hot Wheels car.
Oh, yeah. That's the car wash, yeah. Yeah. That's a nice car wash. Look at that.
What a really good one.
Got one and I cut it
Say thank you. They keep coming, don't they?
Here you go. God's been waiting for you.
Got it.
Happy birthday from Scott.
What is it? Oh, more Hot Wheels. Okay. And a jigsaw puzzle. You like that? Glow in the dark jigsaw puzzle.
Got from Scott.
Yeah, say thanks, Scott.
What else is there? Oh, wait, there's something from Stephanie.
She's in her own little world. Whose birthday is it?
He's gonna go like this. He's gonna go
Christian, whose birthday it be?
He's gonna go like this. Blow it out.
And there's Trishy, and her baby. There's little Shawnee. And there's Ryan, the big brother. Are you a big brother now? Yes.
Here, we're gonna give you that. Let's switch Aunt.
There's Aunt Maureen. Yay. And here's the monkey.
Hello.
You're gonna have to hop out, bud. Let me see. This is an adult seat.
Do you see the picture of this?
Yeah.
That means you have a picture of it now.
Your knees. He's good. You're good. You golden.
Okay, go. It's time to get.
What do you want to drink?
Oh, it's time to
You got your birthday cast on.
Yeah.
Remember the birthday cast. What color is it? Did you get a picture of Dragon Zord?
Oh.
Christian made Dragon Zord. with his
Dragon
eyes.
Zord.
His arms are at his side.
Zord.
And now you have to do
It's the best. It's un, deux, trois, deux.
No, it's not.
what?
It's green.
Hey.
That.
Birthday present.
Want to sing happy birthday to Christian? Let's turn out some lights here.
Look at all the lights.
Okay, we're not gonna see anything in the video.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christian. Happy birthday to you.
What are the candles?
Some lights on the subject. Many more of them too. Many more of them too.
How old are you?
How old are you now?
At you. Here's looking at you. Scooby Dooby Doo. Scooby Dooby Doo. Who is that? Okay, let's go out in the living room and do jumping jacks.
Can I do jumping jacks?
Yes.
Can you show me doing jumping jacks?
We'll
Turn
watch
it
it.
around, please.
No, I have to watch you here. Ready? Let's see jumping jacks. Yay. Go, Stephanie.
That's
Jumping jacks.
jumping
All right,
jacks.
Christian.
You didn't.
Guess what,
You're not doing a jumping jack.
Do a jumping jack.
Do the jumping jack.
Out of batteries again.
Oh, yeah.
We keep doing it. We got some batteries left. Hurry up. Before the batteries die. Go. Look at mommy doing jumping jacks. Christian learned jumping jacks in school today.